Today, we are excited to showcase our most popular custom USB flash drives. All of our drives can be easily branded with your logo and come in a wide variety of colors and storage capacities to fit your specific needs. Our best-selling styles are the universally known Classic and Twist drives, now with storage capacities up to 128 gigabytes. Another great pick is our Click Card model, perfectly sized for wallets like a credit or business card. Even better, the large flat surface offers ample branding real estate for your business. iPromo also offers fully custom-shaped USB drives, from soda bottles to race cars to famous landmarks. If you can dream it, we can make it. Each custom-shaped USB is cast in a model using soft PVC, metal, or hard plastic to match your design. Not only can your custom USB drive be emblazoned with your logo or molded to any shape, but they can come preloaded with your own presentations, press kits, marketing collateral, and more. This makes them memorable thank you gifts for customers, business cards for prospective clients, or informative giveaways for prospects. All of our standard flash drives can be customized and delivered to you in as little as 5 business days. We offer any style USB drive you can imagine, including the trendy wooden USB drives. Contact iPromo to get a free quote and virtual preview of your design.